Hi guys, I'm Nelly Ruiz with Broadmoor RV SuperStore here in Pasco, Washington. And today I have a motorhome behind me, a Freelander by Coachmen, a 2022 model. It's the 22XG. Okay guys, now we're inside the Freelander. In the Freelander, there's a ton of storage, a ton of room everywhere. The Freelander also offers you a 32-inch, 12-volt television by Furrion. As far as sleeping goes, you have a full-size sleeper on top. Coming around to this side, they give you the J-hook sink. On the range, you get 3 burners. The oven is going to be a good size for anything this size. So the refrigerator on this side is going to be by Norco, one of the best manufacturers of refrigerators for RVs. And coming into the bathroom, you guys, you're going to have a sink, your toilet there, and in the shower, you're going to have a soft plastic so that when you're into plastic, you have a little bit more elbow room so you're not breaking glass or anything like that. Coming towards the back, there are some latches here that hold 1,500 pounds of weight when you tie something down to them. You got 4 of those, 2 there and 2 in the back. So you have a queen size bed here, you guys. I'll unlatch it, get it set down. It is a full queen size bed and a huge door to exit and to put stuff into your coach. The 22XG model from Freelander offers you the 350 Super Duty, the 4 chassis, and on this model you get the Onan 4000 gas generator. Coming around to this side, you have your shower, you have all the city water connections that you have there. You're also going to get your 30 amp connection there. As far as storage goes, plenty of storage for you guys. For all the people that like to go green, the Freelander by Coachmen does use Azdel on the exterior. There you have it guys, the 2022 Freelander by Coachmen 22XG model. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, check out our website, or just come on down. At Broadmoor RV, we make camping fun.
When it comes to service, we're #1 at Broadmoor RV. We make camping fun.